Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your iPhone model supports 5G and runs iOS 17 or later. Next, open Settings and install the latest iOS update now. After iOS, check Settings General about to install carrier settings updates. Restart your iPhone to apply updates and refresh radios. Then toggle airplane mode on and wait 10 seconds before turning it off. This forces the radio to reconnect to the nearest tower. If you still lack 5G, proceed to SIM and network checks in the next slide. Power down and remove your physical SIM, then reinsert it firmly into the tray. If using an eSIM, reprovision it in Settings Cellular and confirm activation. Next, verify APN and MMS values match Airtel's supplied settings exactly. If unsure, request a 5G APN profile from Airtel support or via their SMS provisioning. As a precaution, perform Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This restores APN and cellular defaults without erase. Confirm you are located inside Airtel 5G coverage and have at least 3 bars. Use a different location or go outdoors to verify signal improvement before troubleshooting further. If coverage is available but 5G still fails, contact Airtel support with your IMEI and account details. Ask them to enable 5G provisioning and check for network side blocks. If support cannot resolve it, back up your iPhone, then perform a full restore from settings, or visit an Airtel service center for hand.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.